Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Thai coffee or Thai tea with French press here. And also I want to recommend one of the product I bought from Amazon is Miroco, whatever hot water boiler here is actually sort of cordless here. You can move it around. It only take maybe a couple minutes or 3 minutes to boil like pretty full pot of water here. Very convenient. So basically here I'm going to be putting in I believe this is look like Thai tea for me, maybe a spoon and a half in here. Okay, couple spoon, and then I'll go ahead and pour this. This is first time I'm making it. I've been making just regular coffee, everything's fine. Haven't tried Thai coffee or Thai tea yet. So we'll give it a good stir maybe for like, I don't know, a minute. Because the ground coffee or the ground tea a little bit coarse, like it's, you're seeing here, it's kind of big. So I'll give it a little bit more. Seem to be Thai coffee here, not Thai tea, which is a little bit more oranges for Thai tea. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest. And you can add as much sugar or creamer if you want. Give it a little bit more stir. And I probably leave it in the cup here for like maybe 5 minutes. Go ahead and press this. Just a little bit on the surface here. Just press a little bit where the water level meets here. And then I'll put maybe like 5 minutes here. And we'll come back. All right, it's finished. And basically you're going to be adding sweet to here. So I'm going to be adding a couple spoons of sugar to your liking. And then normally we eat it with ice. So to dilute it a little bit. I know it's kind of sweet. Okay, let me test it first. Not bad. Pretty strong actually. So I'm gonna put some more here and add a little more hot water here. Yeah, it works. Tastes pretty good. You can add cream as well, or milk. Okay, this might spill. I'm gonna go ahead and gently pour this. In my case, I think I better use the scoop here. Okay, I'm gonna check it out. See how it tastes. Pretty good. It's pretty strong actually. You might need a little bit. You want to make like couple glasses of Thai iced tea, Thai coffee. Maybe just actually 1 full spoon might be enough. Again, you can adjust it as you like, but it tastes pretty good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks on the next video. Have a great day and stay safe.